This heavy-duty industrial freight elevator delivers robust performance with a 1,500 kilograms capacity and 6,100 millimeters travel height. Its reinforced 2-cylinder, 4-guide rail structure with premium Siemens and Schneider components ensures reliable operation in demanding industrial environments. The elevator features seamless PLC integration capabilities, enabling direct connectivity with existing industrial networks. This smart manufacturing compatibility, combined with rapid rolling doors and wireless control, supports automated material handling workflows. Comprehensive safety systems include 1.8-meter optical safety curtains, interlocked door protection, and full diamond mesh enclosures. The customized WELL 7035 finished and tailored components demonstrate complete adaptation to client specifications and operational requirements.